Memelo, the problem is kgetena re kena tsena gobane re fumana go na le bana ba sa fueng scholarship ya sa fueng dintho because ga ba registerwa ke NMDS, and it's almost impossible for anybody ya South Africa to find out gona bana ba dikolong di fee. That is why re batlang gore batho ba ka mona ba di-parents ba bona ba isitseng bana ba bona ka tšhelete tsa bone, and bana ba they have a right le bona gore ga ba ba phallelwa le ga ba patalelwa ke batswadi ba bone mona tabeng ena ya covid mmuso o ba phallele because ga ba registerwa manpower, ga ba registerwa kae, it means nobody knows where they are. So bana ba di-mine bona go a tsebala ba di bonyane ba na le mo ba registerileng teng. So we need to find this list bana ba ba seke ba iphumana ba le isolated all over the world. Re ntse re letsa jwalo ka ofela le bo China le bo India. That's what we are doing. E le gore bana ba na le bona ba fumane something from what the government is offering. Ke a leboa mpe re etseng jwalo re thusaneng. It's very difficult. Batswadi ba bang ke ba sa tlo tseba letho empa ha ba bana ba tsebana sekolong, I think ba na le di-movement tsa bona tsa gore ke basotho mona re bakana ba bang ba bakana ha re reng ba thusaneng. Ke a leboa.